All right, so I just received this in the mail, and let's check it out. Let's see what we get in this thing. It's Etekcity, I think is what it's called. All right, so it opens up. So let's chat. There's a support email and a phone number if you have problems with it. And they're thanking you. And I do believe this is it. So we got to pull these little corners off. Then we can see what the heck we got here. Basically, I think it's just the scale. You know what I mean, jelly beans? There it is. Got it upside down. Let's move this out of the way. Let's move this out of the way. We'll just set her down and take a look at it. It's very bright. Very, very bright. Let's flip it over. I think we've got to put some batteries. Oh, look, there's batteries in it. But there's no pole on it, so we don't know if they're charged or not. But I'll show you how they go in. Let's go ahead and just pull them out, and then I'll show you how they go in. Because you're going to want to know. All right, so here's the batteries that come with it. Just for your edification, these, I do believe, are made in China, and they look like AAA. Yep, they're AAA. There's the insignia on them, AAA. So usually when you put your batteries in, you go negative side, that's the flat side, against the spring. So we'll just do that. It's weird that the batteries are already in this, but, you know, whatever. It looks like, yeah, I'm just looking at that. So this is going to go this way. So these little things are down. I smush them in and then pop it. And you can see that it's got these little weight things on it, so we have to put it out. Oh, look, bam, there it is. Ready to rock and roll. So now, you know, what we've got, here's the on button, look. Well, we're going to have to try this downstairs, but I do believe it did come with some instructions. And so what we've got to do is we got to get the app, right? We open up the app, we log in and sign up, and then we make sure that we're on Bluetooth, and then we follow the app instructions to add the smart scale. And then that's giving me a bunch of, you know, information on it. Oh, you see, it shows that I'm supposed to pull something out of there, but there was nothing in it. So when I took them out and put them back in, they seemed to work. So you press that to turn the scale on. To turn it off, you press and hold it. So I'd hold that for 3 seconds, and it turns off. And then to turn it on, I think I just press it. Press unit to switch among measuring units for volume. You can choose between water or milk or options. All right, and then you just press this to zero it out. You just touch it. All right, so there's the warranty. There's the online manual. So you got an online manual, warranty. So you want to save this. Don't lose it. And here we're going to get the app right there. Bam. That's our next move.